2. Subject English. 2.1 Birds can fly. Birds can fly, birds can fly, up in the sky, up in the sky, and I can fly too, I can fly too. Rocks can jump, rocks can jump, very, very high, very, very high, and I can jump too, I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim, deep in the water, deep in the water, and I can swim too, I can swim too. Ducks can walk, ducks can walk, on the ground, on the ground, and I can walk too, I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run, in the forest, in the forest, and I can run too, I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop, on the grass, on the grass, and I can hop too, I can hop too.